So Facebook, Instagram, but what about? So I know lots of people are going, well, Instagram, then you've got LinkedIn, then you've got YouTube, and then you've got Twitter. So we've got 500 million people, users on LinkedIn every month. Now, it's great for B2B, but it's not great for B2C. It works in some instances, but it doesn't work in all instances. If you're B2B, then check out LinkedIn. Then YouTube. YouTube has 1 billion active users. It's great. Add it into your mix if video is part of your focus. But once again, it's about energy and effort. So make sure with YouTube, if you're going to do it, you do it regularly and you have it as part of your overall strategy. Then there's Twitter. It's like a fire hose. I mean, there's so many limitations on Twitter. Many people are saying that Twitter's dying. I don't think it's dying. It's consistently gone up in 2017 and it's constantly growing. 320 million active users. But you can see that it's nothing in comparison to the big boys out there. And then there's Pinterest, the relatively new kid on the block. 150 million users. Now, what's special about Pinterest and why it deserves a mention is that it's very much like Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk or wherever, because people are searching for stuff primarily. It's a buying search engine. That's how they've set it up, and that's how it's become known for people. So if you're looking for food or clothes or shoes, etc., this is where you go. Now, Snapchat. Now, Snapchat is an interesting one because it's only got 100 million users. And when I say only 100 million users, take a breath for a moment and think about that. 100 million users. Now, it's not as robust as Instagram, and it doesn't have all the whistles and bells, but Snapchat users are loyal to a fault. So if you get a Snapchat user interested in what you do, then they're there for life. They'll be following you, looking at you, because you're delivering value. It's a very different experience to Instagram, and that's why I give it a mention. Now, Vine is an interesting one. 200 million active Vine users out there every month. Now, there's a lot of opportunity out there, and Vine isn't talked about a lot, but it is something that is eagerly snapping at the heels of Instagram and trying to win. And it'll probably be a buyout from Facebook at some point, but it's an interesting market, and it just shows you, and it's really a reference that you're not limited to just Instagram and Facebook. There's so much choice out there, but everything is about step by step. It's not a race, it's a sprint. You've got to put your focus, you've got to put your attention in ultimately to get that growth. You do not want to be the hare, you want to be the tortoise. You want to be getting right the small stuff and then gradually building into the other stuff. How are the numbers looking for Instagram and Facebook? Well, I've mentioned it already, you probably know by now. 800 million Instagram users per month. Facebook users per month is 2 billion. The numbers are just staggering, and it's just growing month under month. That's basically 1/3 of the whole population of the earth are on Facebook and Instagram combined. Wow.